Interfit and General Mkhwanazi, maybe you can also shed some light on this warehouse that we're in. Do we understand it to be a place where some of these shops are buying from? What exactly does this serve as?
No, this is a shipping company. So these are the people who are bringing things into the country. So what you see, everything in this warehouse are things that have been imported into the country, and from here the importers who bought this, they're going to put them into the containers, into the trucks, train, and it's going to be delivered to their warehouses. That's where it's going to end. And from there, then they're going to be selling to their clients.
And the items that you see here, I mean, I'm looking at this warehouse. Is it safe to say that most of these items are expired, or what sense do you get?
There's majority of it. Majority of it have expired. Quite a lot of it does not have expiry dates in any way. But the biggest problem is that it's a mixture of what you eat and what you don't eat. So you have medicine, you have especially this typical, which is a classic thing, this spice.
Yes.
It's a common spice that you find on the chips that majority of our children are eating from the township. They use this spice to spice them. Now we know there's a company in South Africa that makes them. But what we didn't know is that maybe someone else also make the same thing, because they've got spices like this. And when this spice is put in those chips and it's packaged into those small plastic bag and it goes out to the tuck shops, you'll find that even the tuck shop owners that are selling the things don't necessarily know the whole route how these things travel to get to them. So they're bypassing tax, they're bypassing the registration of products in South Africa in terms of health, because it's not been processed by any department. And it lands on the streets, it lands in the stock shop. Children's food, like this plastic bag, it's for kids.
Yeah.
So
mixed with antibiotics, alcohol, and chemicals.
It's in the same container. It's the same container, and it's delivered like this. Look at sardines.
Yeah.
It's going to be in the same container. Chemicals, everything is mixed in the same container.
So these items that we're looking at here were traveling together?
These are samples of individual things that are in here amongst each other. So all in same containers. And like I said, this is just a warehouse of the person who imports. So it's quite a big warehouse. It's got different clients. Theirs is just to import. It's not necessarily them that are selling.
Yeah.
But they